Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to disable automatic updates for the Messenger app on your Android device. By following these simple instructions, you can have more control over when your apps get updated. To start, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tap on it to launch the store. Next, locate and tap on your profile icon, usually situated in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Settings menu for the Google Play Store, where you can manage different preferences related to app updates and more. Within the Settings menu, find and tap on Network Preferences. This section allows you to customize network-related settings for the Play Store and app updates. Lastly, within the Network Preferences menu, look for the option Don't Auto-Update Apps. Select this option to disable automatic updates for all apps, including the Messenger app. By following these steps, you can effectively turn off automatic updates for the Messenger app on your Android device. Taking charge of your app updates gives you the freedom to update apps manually and avoid any unexpected changes. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you tailor your app update settings to better suit your preferences.